What's up people? In this video, we will be comparing Samsung Internet with Google Chrome. Both are great and each feature is compared in this Samsung Internet versus Google Chrome video. Starting with the interface, the look of both the browsers is a lot different. Most of the options on Samsung Internet such as tabs, home, settings, etc. are at the bottom. You only find bookmarks and the reload buttons at the top of the screen. Google Chrome, on the contrary, offers the home button, tabs, and settings button at the top. Both support the swipe down to refresh feature. Although the internet is different, the options row on Samsung Internet takes some space, allowing Google Chrome to show slightly more content. Let's talk about themes. Both offer light and dark themes. The fascinating thing is Samsung Internet goes one step further by changing the site's CSS and layout. You can see that Samsung Internet is showing the site background in dark colors. Google Chrome only applies the dark mode on the app content. Another feature Samsung Internet offers is high contrast mode. The high contrast mode only works when the phone's night mode is off. It changes the colors of sites to dark to help you see even in direct sunlight. Both come with an option to choose the theme, but you can override that with the system's default. The private mode feature of both is also different. Samsung Internet comes with a secret mode. When enabled, all the tabs become private. The feature separates both modes, and you can't browse the regular internet until you don't turn off this mode. Google Chrome, contrarily, offers to navigate the normal and private internet at the same time. The options such as history and cookies are not saved and synced. The next round is about passwords. As we know, both use accounts to sync. Samsung devices come with an app called Samsung Pass, which works with other apps to sign in quickly. You need to verify that it's you by inserting the PIN or any other form selected in the app. This makes browsing safer. Google Chrome, on the other hand, does not come with any security features when it comes to logging in. It suggests the email and password as soon as you reach to the login page. Also, when you sign up on a website, Google Chrome proposes a secure password, and if you choose that, it automatically saves to the Google account. Okay, so what settings both offer? Samsung Internet provides homepage, default search engine, and sync options, while the advanced options including privacy and security, sites and downloads, and useful features are there for more customization options. Google Chrome, contrarily, comes with the default search engine, passwords, payment methods, addresses, notifications, and themes. Some advanced options such as site settings, accessibility, light mode, etc. are also there. Samsung Internet has the edge over the extensions, as Google Chrome does not offer any. You can find add-ons such as ad blockers, Amazon Assistant, safe browsing, etc. Okay, let's move to one of the prominent rounds. So, the battery of both the devices is full. We will conduct a test. We will play the same video on both the apps and see the battery status. I have played the same song on the same volume level on both the apps. Let's see which app takes more battery. One interesting thing I found is that browsers on mobile data consume more battery than on Wi-Fi. On our previous test of both, which you can find on the website, both consumed 0.3 and 0.4% battery respectively, even though the video we played was longer than the video we are playing now. While on mobile data, the number is far. Anyway, in this test, both used the same amount of battery, which is 1%. Well, after the tough test, let's move to some of the other features. Samsung Internet allows changing the text size on websites. It separately saves video URLs in history, and it offers to scan QR codes. Whereas Google Chrome offers a light mode to save data. It also comes with a one-tap share URL to PC browser feature. And finally, it allows managing cookies, permissions, and cache for each website. So which one is for you? For a Google lover who uses Chrome on Android and PC, then Google Chrome should be used. The app is more powerful when you combine the desktop and mobile versions. If you don't use Google Chrome on your PC or your phone work is entirely independent of the PC, then you should try and see if Samsung Internet is worth it. Anyway, the video covered most of the features. For the up-to-date article, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, like the video if it helped, and please subscribe for more tech-related videos. Thank you.